Hey Tesla owners, I'm here with I Know Gadgets, bringing you our picks for the 5 best dash cams to install in your Model 3 or Model Y. While Tesla's Sentry Mode provides basic protection, adding an aftermarket dash cam gives you more advanced features to monitor your Tesla from all angles. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Vava Dual Dash Cam. With dual 1000 and 80p cameras facing front and rear, you get complete coverage around your Tesla. Real-time video streaming allows you to view live footage and receive alerts on your phone. Crisp night vision captures details in low light. Check the links for current pricing. Coming in at number 4 is the top-notch Blackvue DR750X-1CH. Built specifically for Teslas, this cam provides seamless hardwiring installation and clean, clutter-free wiring. You get sharp 4K HD video, and the Blackvue app syncs recordings via Wi-Fi or LTE. The advanced parking mode monitors your Tesla 24/7. Our bronze medal goes to the Nextbase 622GI. With a crisp 4K sensor up front and 1080 rear cam, you catch license plates and incidents from any angle. The built-in Alexa integration allows for voice control of your dashcam. Get alerts if your parked Tesla is bumped or moved. Runner-up is the premium Thinkware U1000 dashcam. Designed for Teslas, it fits right in and captures 4K video out the windshield and 2K from the rear camera. With parking surveillance mode, motion alerts, and cloud storage, the U1000 provides 24-hour monitoring for your Model 3 or Model Y. The best dashcam for Tesla vehicles is the Kenwood DRV-A601W. This 4K cam was engineered specifically for Tesla with clean OEM integration and sleek design. With built-in Wi-Fi and the Drive app, you can monitor footage remotely. Interior night vision lets you see inside your car at night. Secure your Tesla with our top 5 dashcam picks for 2023. Find all the links to purchase below. And be sure to subscribe to I Know Gadgets for more Tesla accessory reviews and guides. Thanks for watching.